So Nashi, how are you feeling about this this year's attempt, 2014?
It's a little heavier than last time.
Feel like you might need to work out beforehand?
Alright guys, watch out.
Back up. You don't want to be hit by a tree.
Get out of the way.
It's a terrible way to begin the holiday season. Okay. Ready, set, go. 20-second mark is the beginning. It's a little bit heavy. The kids are very helpfully cheering on.
20.
What do we say? What do you guys say to Daddy?